Ready? Go!
Ow! What the fuck hit my neck? Uzi?
Nice one, Uzi.
We are sending the first rat to the moon, boys.
No, I'm already falling. Fly, fly, fly. You can do it.